Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this issue on Windows 11 operating system. It's just two method process to fix this issue. In the first step, we will firstly disable the Windows update. So go to search bar, type here services and click here to open it. Now on this window, just scroll down and find out Windows update. So here it is. Right click on it, select properties. Then on this window, make sure you have to select disable in the startup type. Then click on apply and then OK. After that, you need to just select it and make sure click on the stop. Then close all windows one by one, and in the last method, just go to search bar, type your settings, then click on network and internet. Then in my system it's showing Ethernet. You can also click on Wi-Fi, so select it and just scroll down, and from heater connection you need to turn on this option. So close this window, and that's it guys. Your problem is solved. You are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.